Are you tired of that annoying forward startup chime each time you start your vehicle? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of it using Forscan. And I've included links to the products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to get into how to disable that annoying startup chime. I've already plugged my connector into the OBD2 port. The USB is connected into my laptop. Now it's time to go ahead and connect to vehicle. First thing we'll do is connect to vehicle. And yes, we're using my F-150. Switching over to MS. Okay. So now we are connected to the vehicle. All the modules are found here. Looks like I have some DTCs in the PCM. We're just going to ignore that for right now and go to the configuration and programming. Looks like a little microchip. And we're going to go down to IPC as built. And hit run program. Just saying it's potentially unsafe. Please make sure all original as-built data are available. Select OK. Now you can just take a little snip of or screenshot of this information. It's a good idea to just as a precaution in case maybe these values didn't take or you run into any other problems after the fact. So I'm just going to capture this and save it to my desktop for now. The one value that we're going to change here is in 7200102. The value we're going to change is in this second portion here where the 0 is. We're going to change that to a 2. And then we're going to write this. And I'm going to film the dash here just to see if anything pops up. It's saying incorrect. Yes. Okay, you see the needles are kind of jumping there and acting funny. It's writing it to the vehicle. Blocks program successful. Please cycle ignition off, then back on. I'm gonna pull the key out, then I'm gonna start it up and we'll see if it has the chime. No chime. I don't have any check engine lights or anything either, so we're looking good.
After restarting, you'll now want to stop service procedure and return to the information screen and then disconnect from the vehicle before unplugging from the OBD2 port.
All right, so it looks like getting rid of that 3-tone chime at startup was successful. This is a super easy fix, and if you have Forscan, I highly recommend doing that. That's probably one of the most annoying features I feel like is in this truck every time you start it up. If you enjoyed this video, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. And if you have any questions on this, please post them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching.